Kirentato inge nandi MBUNGE wa Gembe North Julius TAITUMU ARIUGA GITUMI KIANA BABAINGI ba form 1 na grade 7 batirachoka skuru ni untu bakwithirwa arimu ni bakuriya mbeca NKURUKI uria kubatere TAITUMU uria ni mukiamo wa kamiti ya kithomo na uria wari mwandiki munene wa NAT Rwangi rwa Nyambene ARIUGA skuru ni batere kuthingatira watho wa thirikari mantu ni jege BICI mukaririto wa kamiti wa kiaria norite ministry okaria bwandene tumire MACHIBU guchuana na baba bara batirachoka skuru onde ministry ya kithomo etumirite ati AANA ngiri magana jana ba grade 7 na form 1 batiratonya skuru. NIBONGERA na gutwacho
na GITUMI kuna THIINA ni ARITWA ba junior secondary schools kura mugucokera skuru na wingi kwithirwa arimu banene abakwithirwa bagitia mbeca na ritai nyingi bobo na bwikulingana na mheshimiwa mwalimu Julius TAITUMU. Migambo eje TAITUMU nio ejete kumane na PS Bariku kuuga kuna NKURUKI ARITWA ngiri magana jairi ba junior secondary schools batirethirwa becokera skuru mwankira na nditokwaria
basic education bwana kuma grade 6 kweta grade 7 itibati kwetho ina anything ni umona muntu urara umite grade kyo kila kingi koko tibati kwetho kwena any barrier ya kuiria muntu uma class grade 6 kweta grade 7 abati weta ora atoba kuma in the other form ukoma standard 7 waita standard 8 kubati kwetho 100 transition itina any difference lakini on toba changes ilezi twa illegal changes kana illegal levies isio imwiri gutuka kuri ARITWA batikinyite
oku migambo eje mheshimiwa Julius TAITUMU ni cokete koberwe kinya wekinya imokaririgite wakamite kithomo bunge nene je bwana Julius Meli.
There is a lot of impunity on the part of the school administrators and we have asked them, let the officers on the ground take action against anyone charging fees in junior secondary. And we as the Committee of Education, we will not relent and we are going to put the PS and the CS to task on that because they are actually the lead government implementers. If their juniors are disobeying them, what action are they doing? If they are not abating it, then they tell us.
Mantu mno ya uniform ni mantu irrelevant kile kuthoma kwa muritwa na ito kwenda kwa these challenges ile kuretwa ni extra levies ministry a crack the whip nikenda antu baumba kuthoma batina thina ira nene no ntogithe muntu ana kiongo ana uniform irarare nyo no teo kwena recommendation that muntu no mongeza na uniform with this kind kenda umba kweta to the next level. Otherwise it is the same primary school na baraba kuthithia ugo change extra levies na wikira mantu yangi yayo automatically batitite na ba endero tweet
boborio bonge na bwasheri bona na bagrade ya mogwanja na nontobura kabethero bakendera mathomo ya junior secondary schools ngogeni kumathira arimu kenda batakirasi kya na kuthia KCP na kenda bebera hendi CBC na ndibori tobotige ni NKURUKI bukirengai
kure ashiari ba itete bakaregister na bo standard 8 bakabwithia plan sio kora na kumenya Kenya antu ikrafti bakathukutha grade 6 grade 7 no tubate kwenda hukumakie mufumo uyu na buo change yake akweya kinywa miria no ekeyira antu amwe ndirie kameria itithaumia so hii mfumo ni kama tumemeza tukitaka tusipotaka hiyo mfumo iko ndani
ku maskuru nacio ikorugura mweri muthiru mathina jamangi itoja kigikanu haja moja ja mbesha na jangi jokaria kirentere ko naomba bwandethia kana na gichungu badita tax.
The only problem ambayo tuko nayo Kerio Valley ni kwamba CS wa internal security bwana Professor Kithure Kindiki hakuweza kugazette walimu kama essential service providers. That is the biggest challenge tuko nayo. So tungeomba waziri aweze kugazette walimu kama essential service providers pale Kerio Valley na convict zones kwa sababu ina affect walimu sana. Walimu ambao wanaweza kutembea kwa kilomita mrefu by 6 PM wasipokuwa manyumba kwao wanashikwa na polisi.
We have this issue where we are saying 200,000 students are not there. I think this is something that needs to be done through Nyumba Kumi. The chiefs, the assistant chiefs, and the PS, National Ministry of Education, the Interior PS, the CS Interior, and the PS Ministry of Education, all of them need to round out these people.
na nonto kithomo mokoboko bozo kugwatira ukura kwa nthiguru kana mugongo na ndi niwendo na wirigiro kagitene gakanene baba skuru batithiro bakendera wetia mbeca iji nonto kwe ukuburania mokoboko jo CBC turaginye tutarungama nke reporter Antasharo TV kumaja kengina ngikitoka Nairobi mbita Boniface Mungera.